Good morning everyone. Today we are celebrating the World Environment Day, and here we will discuss about some facts and realities about World Environment Day. Ecosystem supports all life on earth. The healthier our ecosystem, the healthier the planet and its people. Over the years, many ecosystems have been destroyed by man's activity. More and more ecosystems are coming under threat. Ecosystem clean our water, purify our air, maintain our soil, regulate the climate, recycle nutrients and provide us with food. The main aim of World Environment Day is to encourage people to do something to take care of the environment and become an agent of the change.
Restoration. Ecosystem restoration means assisting in the recovery of ecosystem that have been degraded or destroyed by humans, as well as conserving ecosystem that are still intact. Healthier ecosystem with richer biodiversity yields great benefits, such as more fertile soil, bigger yields of fish, and farmer stores of greenhouse gases.
Industrial and sewage waste. Wastewater from manufacturing or chemical processes in industries contributes to water pollution. More seriously, contaminated water destroy aquatic life and reduce its reproductive ability. Eventually, it is a hazard to human health. Nobody can escape the effect of water pollution.
Just like I said, restoration can happen in many ways. But I really want to share one thing that lockdown help us to restore environment. 500% decreases in sewage and industry influence in river. Why we said that? Because industries are closed. They are not allowed to work or they are not allowed to drain their waste in the rivers. That's why there is a decrease in percentage.
Ecological impact. A sudden thermal shock can result in mass killing of fish, insects, and plants. Hotter water may prove favorable for some species while it could be lethal for some species. Small water's temperature increase the level of activity while higher temperature decrease the level of activity.
In lockdown, we can't able to use thermal shock. So without using a thermal shock, we can see endangered animals or species. Critically endangered South Asian river dolphin was known as Ganga's dolphin have been spotted back in the Ganga after 30 years. The number of flamingos increased in Mumbai. As a result of lockdown imposed due to COVID-19, tens of thousands of flamingos have gathered in the city of Navi Mumbai.
Effect of chemical fertilizer on environment. Chemical fertilizer may affect the accumulation of heavy metal in soil and plant system. Plants absorb the fertilizer through the soil. They can enter the food chain. Thus, fertilization leads to water, soil and air pollution.
In lockdown, farmers are not allowed to go out, so they can't able to buy fertilizers. So they use manures for to fertilizing their soil. And manures helps to water adaptation and it improves the soil qualities. You have to use manures because fertilizers are chemically based.
Air pollution is a major issue which is damaging effects on living things and the environment. Air pollution from traffic contributes to global warming. Air pollution kills around 7 million people each year, 1 in 8 death globally.
In lockdown, air quality also improved. One study found that daily global carbon dioxide level dropped by 17% during the early months of the pandemic. Similarly, other research showed up there is a decreasement of pollutant nitric dioxide. And one study also found that pollution level dropped by nearly 16% and the ozone layer hole also healed up. At the end, I really want to share one thing that these changes occur forcefully because we have to stay at our home due to this pandemic. But if we do these things by our own heart, they will help us and they will help us to restore our environment.